In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off Grammarly for sensitive fields like passwords or credit card numbers using the browser extension or app. Understanding this can be particularly handy when you want to ensure that Grammarly doesn't engage in areas where you're handling sensitive information. Now, you might be wondering if this is something you really need to worry about. Well, according to Grammarly's own documentation, their products are designed to automatically ignore any text fields marked as sensitive. This means if a website or app is set up correctly, you generally don't have to take any action. The fields for passwords and credit card entries are usually flagged as sensitive, and Grammarly will leave them alone. However, sometimes you might need to take extra steps if you want to double-check or handle other areas of concern. If you're looking to disable Grammarly for a particular text field in a browser, first locate the Grammarly icon, which you'll find in the lower right corner of the active text area you're working in. Click on that icon, and a pop-up menu will appear with a couple of options. You can choose to turn off Grammarly for that specific field either until your next visit or permanently. Once you've made your selection, simply refresh or revisit the page to ensure that Grammarly is no longer active in that field. What if you want to disable Grammarly across an entire website instead? The process is just as simple. Start by navigating to the website in question using your browser. Then, click on the Grammarly extension icon that's situated in your browser's toolbar. In the menu that appears, you'll see an option to toggle off writing suggestions for that site. Once this setting is turned off, Grammarly will be disabled across the entire domain, providing a consistent and uninterrupted browsing experience. Now, let's consider a scenario where you're using Grammarly within a larger enterprise environment, particularly when you're dealing with sensitive company data. In such a case, administrators have the option to enable what's known as confidential mode. This feature ensures Grammarly automatically deactivates when a document within programs like Microsoft Word is labeled with a sensitivity tag. This is a valuable tool for maintaining privacy and security, and it's controlled at the admin level. If you're an admin, you can find this setting by navigating to Organization, followed by Enterprise Security, and then Data in the admin settings. With these considerate features and instructions, you can continue using Grammarly while maintaining the security and privacy of your sensitive information. As always, understanding how to control and customize these settings allows you to have the best of both worlds: effective writing assistance and peace of mind. Now that you've learned how to manage Grammarly's activity around sensitive information, you'll be well equipped to tailor your own digital safety and privacy.